Hey, this is Navid from Oud for Guitars. Today I've got another Oud tutorial for you. In this tutorial you're going to learn a beautiful Palestinian folk melody. You're going to learn how to do the basic version here, and if you join the Easy Oud Songs course this month, you can learn the more ornamented and more advanced version. This month we have a promo on the Easy Oud Songs course. You can learn 3 extra bonus songs that will be included with every purchase of Easy Oud Songs course volume 1, 2, or 3. This song is in Maqam Bayat. Let's look at our tuning. We've got C, or Do, G, Sol, D, Re, A, La, F, Fa, and C, or Do. And the scale, of course, the Maqam Bayat, D, Re, E, or Mi nos bemol, E half flat, F, Fa, Sol, G, A, La, and then B flat, Si bemol, and C, Do, and Re, D. This is how the song goes. So we've got, it's a 2-4, and the iqa is falahi, so it's like a tukataka tum tek, tukataka tum tek, tukataka tum tek. So we've got C, D, 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 C, D, D. This whole song you can play downstrokes. And then we've got a 8th note rest. What? F, E, F, G, E, D. So that's basically the main melody. Rest. Then the melody goes up to G. So we got F, G, 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 F, G, G. F, F, E, F, G, E, D. F, F, E, F, G, E, D. You can see the last 2 measures there on the first line are pretty much exactly the same as measure 3 and 4. You can play either or, but I like to add a little bit extra notes on the second time. Now for the next melody, we start on D, go to A, D, A, B, C, D. And then we have a descending line, D, C, B, A, and then C, B, A, G. And then we've got G, 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 A, B, C. And then our melody from the first line, F, F, E, F, G, E, D. So there's a more ornamented version. You can learn that in the tutorial. This will be included in the Easy Oud Songs when you purchase 3 bonus songs. And you'll learn all the full ornaments that we play, anything you can handle. And if you want to play it the easy way, just play this whole song with downstrokes. That's nice and easy. And here's a bit more of how we play that again. So let's start from the beginning to the end. So we repeat the first line twice and then the second line once, and we go back to the beginning and play it twice again. So 1, 2, 1, 2. Repeat. First line. Repeat. So yeah, if you want to learn the more ornamented version, enroll in the Easy Oud Songs course Volume 1 or Volume 2 or Volume 3, and you'll get to learn 3 more tutorials. And we're going to do a couple labs in those tutorials, plus this beautiful song. And you get to learn all the ornaments, all the fancy ornaments that go along with that. Whatever you can handle in your oud playing. Whatever level you are, you can play at that. All right. And if you're interested in learning more about this oud, the oud with gear pegs, check the link in the description. It's a great oud, one of my favorite sounding ouds right now. So check that out, and thanks for watching, and see you next time.